Today I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Honor phone. Step 1. Turn Wi-Fi off and on. Step 2. Restart your phone. Step 3. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. Step 4. Check router and distance. Sometimes the issue is not the phone but the Wi-Fi router. Restart your router and make sure you are close to it. Step 5. Reset network settings. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Now your Wi-Fi network problem is solved.